In Parwan province, soldiers put up silhouette targets, hand out bullets, and members of the Afghan National Police from the district of Sayed Kil load their magazines.
Today we come over here with our weapons ready to fire, and we are very happy right now.
But before they fire their AK-47 rifles and M9 pistols, they gather around for a short class. During the class, they learn the correct shooting positions for a standing position and a kneeling position. Then they take to the firing line.
Today we completed the last day of the marksmanship training for the Sayed Kil AMP training. It was a culmination of all the marksmanship skills they learned over the past week.
But before this training, their weapons didn't get much use.
The past couple years, we didn't fire the pistol or the AK-47. Today, I'm very happy to fire all of these.
Officers fire their rifle on both semi-automatic or one bullet at a time, as well as on automatic. They do this with a U.S. soldier looking over their shoulder and giving them tips.
For me, it's kind of rewarding because you know that you're helping their police elements that'll work in the area, and the skills that we give them, it'll reflect within the community.
Sayed Kil's police chief, Colonel Muhammad Arif, already sees a difference in his town.
We don't have any problems or any movement back in Sayed Kil district. All the people are good. They are not worrying about the security.
That security is partly the result of the ANP's improved marksmanship skills, taught by the U.S. soldiers from Bravo Company. Senior Airman Joshua Atkins, Parwan Province, Afghanistan.